question is, Sarfaraz, why is Rahul Gandhi, and my focus is on Rahul Gandhi, why is he or is he not taking a straight Pakistani line? Because Gaurav, right after Imran Khan rushed to the UN Security Council over the domicile rules in Kashmir being expanded, in the past also you'd remember, Rahul Gandhi immediately has now started tweeting fake theories about how India revoked Kashmir's independence. Now you know what Pakistan will do? Pakistan will take this quote of Rahul Gandhi, this endorsement by Rahul Gandhi of the citation of Pulitzer and wave it towards the entire world. Now, how can a sitting member of parliament who has taken an oath to uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India back claims that Kashmir is contested territory? That also contested territory with no independence. I'm on a very straightforward approach. You have broken the rules under which you were sworn to the Lok Sabha. You should be dismissed from parliament. And more importantly, Sarfaraz, you see, our army men with their heads held high marched into an 8-hour gun battle in Handwara. Don't forget that. You know why, Sarfaraz? To keep you and me safe. You are safe today, you, Sarfaraz, because Colonel Ashutosh Sharma, Major Anuj Sood, Nayak Rajesh, Lance Nayak Dinesh and Sub-Inspector Sagir Ahmed Pathan. They are the ones who fought and gave up their lives. Now, after that, within days, Gaurav, an Indian political party called the Vadra Congress immediately starts taking the Pakistani line. We ask questions, you are saying, why are we asking you? Well, because you're an Indian party. If you were a political Pakistani party, I would not ask you. So, Sarfaraz, I'm on that limited point. Please come into the debate with Gaurav. Which one of you would like to start first? By the way, lot of responses from viewers tonight. Thank you for your responses. Sarfaraz.
Okay. Well, this is my first show on Republic. I don't understand why Republic TV always looks like to me that it is the official channel of the BJP. Why is
this is an Indian position? One second. Sarfaraz, you and I, one second. Sarfaraz, I'll tell you one thing. Sarfaraz, listen to me. I hold an Indian passport. 1 minute, Sarfaraz. I'll intervene because you, no, I'm giving you online intervention. I hold an Indian passport, so do you, so does Gaurav. Since we hold Indian passports, we can't take a Pakistani line. Now you can say what you want after that. Please continue.
Well, it's not about Pakistan. This award, this Pulitzer Prize has not been given by Pakistan. It has not been given by
the citation?
Middle Eastern country.
What is the citation?
Given by an independent
What is the citation?
And that independent body
What is the citation?
That process is this.
What is the citation?
They have their own modus operandi to choose. And we are
They can choose. I'm not worried about their choice. I'm worried about an Indian politician supporting a citation that takes the Pakistani line.
Which will get award and which will not get award.
1 second. I'm not discussing who gets an award. You
it's
go
not
get,
about Pakistani
go
line.
get all the awards. I have no problem. It's about the citation. The citation says that Indian. What does the citation say? Sarfaraz.
These journalists are Indians. You should have been proud that Indians are getting awarded.
Two things to you.
These Indians are getting awarded because of their exceptional.
Two things to you. The Indian passport does not come for free. The Indian passport does not come for free. The Indian passport carries with it the basic obligation of loyalty to the country. If you are not loyal to the country, you cannot carry a passport. Now, Gaurav would like to respond to you. Gaurav.
So who is this channel to decide whether we are loyal or not?
I'd like to tell...
who are the people of India to decide who is loyal or not?
Keep it very short.
You take a Pakistani line, you're not loyal to the country. Please continue.
Keep it
I
very
don't
short.
understand. Who are you to decide?
Okay.
Well, the people of India decide. I'm a citizen of India. I decide for myself. You decide for yourself. You should also be loyal to the country, Sarfaraz, I'm telling you. I'm sure you are. When you're a lawyer, you do your law by the Constitution of India. You are sworn by the Constitution of India. Your livelihood is by the Constitution of India. So show loyalty to India.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.